Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into an exciting topic: how to use Bitcoin in the metaverse. First things first, you need a crypto wallet that supports Bitcoin. Popular choices include MetaMask and Trust Wallet. These wallets will be your gateway to the metaverse. Next, connect your wallet to a compatible metaverse platform. Some of the top contenders are Decentraland and The Sandbox. These platforms not only support Bitcoin, but also offer tons of fun activities. So, what can you do with Bitcoin in the metaverse? The possibilities are endless. Imagine buying virtual land in Decentraland or acquiring unique digital assets in the Sandbox. You can also snag some awesome NFTs to showcase in your virtual gallery. But that's not all. Many metaverse platforms support peer-to-peer transactions with Bitcoin. This means you can exchange goods or services directly with other users. Now, a quick tip: always ensure the platform you're using supports Bitcoin. Double-check the details to avoid any unpleasant surprises. And, of course, never compromise on security. Protect your wallet and private keys like your life depends on it. Because, in the crypto world, it kinda does. That's it for today's guide. Now, you're ready to master Bitcoin transactions in the metaverse. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips.